In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these sort of soft beach waves with a curling iron this time. I've shown you how to do it with a flat iron. So, alright. Okay, so I like to start off just clipping the top section of the hair up and kind of working it in the two parts. And with beachy soft waves, I think it's pretty to curl away from the face. On the left side, obviously always going this way, and then on the side going that way. So in the back it kind of meets up and does that. And then when you've curled all the sections going towards the back of the head, you kind of just want to like pull it apart kind of and just loosen them all up so it looks kind of like a natural wave and like the wind's been in it. Kind of fluff it a little bit. And kind of gives it more volume and stuff. Just alright, and the hairspray I'm just using today is the Insta-10 Miracle Finishing Spray, and it smells awesome. And it's very like flexible, so you can still run your fingers through it, and just so that it looks really natural and stuff. But what's nice about it it's like protects against humidity, so if you are going to be out at the beach and stuff, it'll withstand humidity and frizz and all of that. Alright. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.